Want free music on your iPhone? I'll show a simple legal way to download songs. First, update iOS and connect to Wi-Fi. You'll also need the App Store and Files app. Open the App Store and install a free downloader app like Documents by Redl. Launch Documents, tap the browser icon, and navigate to a free music site like Jamendo. Search for a track, tap the download link, and choose MP3 format when available. When prompted, save the file to on my iPhone inside the Files app. Open Files, locate the MP3, long press the file and tap Move to organize. Move the song into a music or downloads folder, or open it in VLC for playback. If you prefer the music app, import via GarageBand, otherwise VLC plays offline instantly. Open VLC or Files and tap the song to play. Use AirPlay or headphones to listen. Tip: create playlists inside VLC, backup files to iCloud, and always respect copyright. That's it, free music on your iPhone. Subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.